Oh,
Sorry. So, we wanna try the same thing we did with Bastion on top of the point?
Cheesy Bastion.
I'm gonna take the Reinhardt so I can brawl it out on the point later.
Yeah.
What's the other healer?
More.
Moira. Yeah.
Yeah.
The second tank should probably be Roadhog though.
Yeah, Roadhog so he can soak the point.
Exactly.
And then just take a Junkrat maybe?
It's kinda open, isn't it?
What?
Isn't it kinda like an open map? I don't know.
I don't know, I guess...
Maybe
I'm not sure
maybe
what to
McCree or Reaper for against dive.
Oh,
Yeah, sure, you can take Reaper, kill Spill McCree.
Yeah. I can also play Reaper, like...
Whatever you're
Really?
best with, man.
Okay,
really
so
like
guys, like, when they dive us, don't panic please, just let the Roadhog soak the point. And I'm gonna try to stay on the high ground for as long as I can.
Yeah, Hawk, call it out if you need help on the point.
Yeah, I will.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Attackers incoming. Defend objective A.
Oh,
Okay.
Mercy.
Far.
Probably I'll farm to them.
They're running Hanzo again. Just save your shield, just drop it and hide. Let them come a bit closer.
Yeah.
Watch it, she can't actually hit shot you from there. Don't
So,
put your
save your
up.
shield.
Don't put your shield up.
Just save your shield. Tracer is here.
Okay.
Stand
Alright,
up here. I'm burning the Reinhardt shield.
I'm on Roadhog.
Ryan,
I'm
protect
down.
Bastion from left.
I'm with Roadhog.
Mercy low, Mercy low.
Trace is behind.
I got pinned.
Rain,
I'm
you're
with
shielding no
you.
one. Rain, you're shielding no one there.
Rando. Fuck me. Oh, fuck me. I can't
So
move anyone.
we panicked. We just split up.
Oh,
I need you
we
to
didn't
call,
really panic,
need
we
you to
just
call
didn't
where
get
should I be with my shield man?
Objective lost.
That's first I
Thank
saw
you.
Bastion not in Sentry mode, then he went to the left side, then right side. I didn't know where to set up anyway.
Just follow
We
me.
didn't
But
get any picks, that's the problem. We didn't
It's
have
okay,
any shot
guys.
calling. Mister, could you call up whenever you hit
I'm
someone?
gonna set up
We
here on
have
the
Zara
bridge.
here top right. We have Zara, everyone's here.
Yeah.
Can you?
Set up already, man, set up. Yeah, do damage, thank you.
I'm stuck.
Watch out.
Oh, fall back, we lost that.
I'm swapping. I'm swapping.
Oh,
I can't play Roadhog, guys. I'm not hitting any hooks at all.
Let's try dive here instead.
Team kill.
Let's try Lucio or Sen
What's
maybe.
the blade on? What's the blade on?
I have my ult.
I just swapped to Genji.
Okay, I'll change for some then too. I can take the trace out, but I won't be able to take the hunter out.
Okay, let's try to.
I didn't swap! Oh.
Answer right
Hands up
side.
top right.
Mercenary distorted.
Nice pick. Get the mercy.
Get the Mercy.
She's low.
And down.
Nice. Nice. It's
Nice,
a fight.
tracer there.
Ryan alone,
Stall him around,
guys.
stall him
Ryan
around, stall him
alone.
around, stall him around.
He wasted his soul.
Ryan
Just
half.
stall him.
Stall him, guys.
She
Yeah.
rest the
plenty of
Hanzo.
time. Don't shoot him in. Don't shoot him.
Whoa, shit.
Okay.
Sorry.
We did shoot him.
I mean, he charged, so it's fine.
Oh, we didn't charge him. We got
Let's
Roadhog.
take the high ground so
Yeah.
we can drain them.
I'm gonna flank them. I'm gonna come behind them, try to pick up the Sen.
Yeah,
Oh,
just be
there.
careful.
Below us.
Bottom right.
We can't lose you. Zenyatta, take a bit further
Send
action. Go a bit behind, yeah. Yeah, that's it.
Watch out for grab.
Well, they just
They
used
used it.
Ryan is one, Ryan is one.
Oh, nicely done.
Ryan dead.
Nice deflect.
Saya, have Hanzo on the left side, guys. He's low. One shot. He's getting healed right now.
Zen is half as well, Tracer. You can pick him probably.
Yeah, I can't. They're all there. I can't. I had to go
Alright,
back.
then no problem. Just stay back.
Oh, Tracer come there. Mercy is alone too. She's just gone. She ran
Mister,
back
if you're
down
too
now.
far, go back. Tracer low. Watch out, bro.
Nice.
I'm gonna bomb them. They're all stuck.
In the road.
Oh fuck! I didn't have it. Oh shit.
They're low.
Mercy discarded on the left. She's just alone, jumping
I'm
in
going,
there.
go guys, go.
Rand
Shit.
discarded.
I can blade afterwards.
Ryan drop down.
Hanzo low. One shot. He's discarded 1 shot, please.
Rain is alone on payload, guys.
Just friendly bubble.
I can't heal you there against you, sorry. I'm dead there.
Nice blade.
They're pushing payload. They're pushing payload.
Yeah, 2 on payload, 3 on
Okay, I
payload.
got the payload. I got the payload.
Watch it behind you though.
Sorry, I half.
You don't have any support.
I'm down. Nice. Give the tracer on the right.
Sorry, I won if you see her.
Got
I'm
it.
coming up before.
Nice hook.
Watch it, I'm coming. Watch the side. Don't push it though. Don't push it though. We'll go watch
Take the
it.
high ground again. Tracer, you be ready to contest the payload.
yeah,
Their
careful.
tracer can back up. Again, Bugu, be ready to contest the payload.
Yeah, I'm just
Pharmacy
standing.
there, pharmacy now, by the way.
Okay,
Yeah,
careful.
She's low,
Top
Farah.
right, top right.
Still have Hanzo. Hanzo half.
Attack Hansel there, she's half
Shield
right now.
down, shield down. Back up, guys, a bit.
Oh no, I'm sorry. Oh, whoa,
Nice.
whoa.
Nice trance.
I used it too early.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh shit.
you basically gave them free range for that style.
It's okay, guys. Easy. You can still win this.
Go Tracer!
Can we solve this?
No, we can't, no, we can't.
I'm
Oh,
going
we
back.
have a bad spawn.
No, we can go this way. Go left, guys. Then we won't be a pick.
Ryan here behind me, charging. Watch out, they're low, they're low.
Stay scored around, no, bro.
Nice, nice.
Watch the Hansel
Go
though.
to the payload, go to the payload. They're 2 down. Go fast.
Bro, don't go home alone. Don't go alone with him.
Yeah, you can stagger Zarya, nice.
I'm just on the right side, guys. Mercy low, behind you.
Go.
Mercy 1 shot, guys. Mercy down, but I'm getting picked there too. Oh,
Para is on the
more.
top right.
More, heal me.
Come back a bit. Come back a bit.
Para
They're
top
playing in their
left, para
spawn.
top left.
They're playing in their spawn.
Fall back. Yeah, we're trying to
Fall
get
back.
out.
Be
Just
careful from this side.
deny the Farah. Deny the Farah. She has to get inside before she can shoot at us if we play around the corner. Okay, they're using.
Oh, damn.
Ran you alone, ran you alone.
Yeah,
What?
sorry.
Fall back,
They
bro,
use 3
fall back.
ults.
Back up, back up.
I was
They
out
use
of
them
range
for
for
nothing. Bugu, you can stall a bit.
Yeah.
Did they use 10 ult?
Shit, okay.
Yeah, they use trans.
Alright, nice.
I'm not supposed to use mine.
Oh fuck me. That
Oh
was
my god.
that was amazing.
I can push them up.
Just group a 6.
No,
Watch that Hanso, don't peek.
Hanzo left.
I have coalescence,
Let's
we
go,
can
right.
push his
I'm
dead.
going left. Me, Genji, go left. Ah, he's here. Genji, Anaha.
Healing you, Tracer.
He's one.
Ah.
There, come on side now.
He's dead.
Thank you.
Ren has shatter.
Ran low, ran low.
Oh damn, we used so many ults.
I didn't use mine, start off mine up and close.
Sorry guys, my mistake.
Yeah.
Not bad.
Use.
Hanzo left, Hanzo left.
Hanzo and Mercy.
No, no.
Oh, he's run back, don't worry about him.
Oh, sorry.
I'm gonna grab a D.Va to counter that fucking
Hanso's
flash.
full HP right now. Nice.
Nice.
I'm coming back to the payload, no worries.
Yeah, I'm gonna
Fair
hide
enough.
here.
Oh my god. Oh, that feels so
Well
good.
done.
Oh,
Nice dagger.
Thanks, sniper. What is this?
I'm gonna hide
exactly.
here with my bomb. I'm gonna bomb them.
Hey,
Rest?
rest.
No rest.
I'm gonna
No!
wait them here,
Oh,
guys.
Oh, he fucking.
I'm
We
lower,
need to
I'm
group,
lower.
we need to group. Go back, go
No,
back, we
I'm
need
low,
to
I'm
group.
low, guy. Ryan, please. The Pharaoh's on the left, guys, just destroying us. No, D.Va. I have Maul coming out.
30 seconds.
I didn't know there was a gap there.
I know.
Ren might have shatter.
Probably has, yeah.
Yeah.
Randy's come there. He's low. Watch out there. Don't worry, I got you.
I got it!
Nice.
Nice. Run off, though.
Sorry, I won.
Oh, I got picked.
Pharaoh back. Pharaoh low. Shit, you got you.
Oh.
Don't worry.
Yeah, it's overtime, nicely
That's
done.
time, man.
I just think we're gonna go full dive here again. Lucio, Mercy, Monkey, no, not Mercy, Monkey, D.Va, Sen.
They'll probably have a Hanzo and a Jungle again. They usually play down on the center.
We should just go down left side and then try to figure out where they are instead of giving
So I play what?
Oh yeah,
Tank.
monkey. No, the diva. Yeah, sorry.
Can we maybe try Monk Kizaria?
She can, then Sai can be close to me too.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, sure. Let's try it.
You can just feed on me by bubbling me. That's
Yeah.
really good. And if somebody jumps on Zen, please call it out so I jump back to you guys.
Yes. Just remember to call out when you have bubble.
And Tony, watch it with the lone jumps in.
No problem.
Yeah, just call it out. If Asaria has bubble, you can jump, land, take damage, bubble, la 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 la.
I got money.
But let's start with going left side underneath instead of giving the Hanzo, you know, the line.
They just usually scatter and 6K'ers.
Yes.
Tryk på banneret nu for at få flere oplysninger.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Attackers incoming. Defend objective A.
Go sneaky.
Sneaky. With the fucking sound.
They have a Genji.
Okay.
Oh, they have Bastion as well.
Let's go!
Go right side. All.
Just get under here so they can't hit us. Nice. See now they have to jump.
They got me.
Leave a load. Leave a discorded.
Then one.
More low. Oh, Mercy me. Fuck me. Mercy. Oh, that's a Bastion. Get that Mercy on the left, mister. On the left, mister. Good shit.
Very nice. Exactly. Good job. Just deny.
I got bad spawn. Could you come taxi me this?
Yep, I'm coming.
I'm gonna go put.
We're ready.
I mean, they're not like. They're actually holding high ground.
Oh,
Yeah?
that. Oh, that's.
Monkey jumping.
He's alone, he's discarded. No, that's a Mercy.
Zenyatta is
And
one.
There's no recall on the point.
Tracer half behind us.
Genji got me.
Even below here. Oh, Mercy discarded behind.
She's low.
I'm getting fucked. I got fucked by Winston. Fall back, guys. Good shields, miss.
How far for Graph?
Eight, I'm at 80.
Okay, let's go grab
Watch
bomb.
it.
Okay, Tracer in the back. Tracer in the back, right side.
She
We
fell
can
back.
actually go through here. I didn't even know that.
Okay.
I've got grab
Tracer,
now.
no recall.
Diva back and back.
Okay, I'm ready.
Tracer
I'm
low
ready.
out there. Oh, I can't
What are we using for Genji Blade? Trance or beat?
I'm gonna grab first.
Hey, yo, I don't have my trance yet.
Okay,
Okay.
you beat
Winston
first.
discarded. Trace behind us.
I grab if you
I'm
can.
grabbing. Got no one. Literally no one.
I got
Get the
fucked
monkey.
by the Trace. Trace behind you,
Got
Trace
two
behind
kills.
you.
Genji no dash. Genji no dash. No blade. Bad blade.
Watch that Tracer, she's just killing us.
Genji's one. No dash. On point, no deflect.
Tracer behind you. Low. Don't let the Mercy rest.
I'm dead.
Winston low. Tracer low.
Diva almost out of mech.
One shot, thank you.
Okay, regroup.
I have a pick.
Take the tool.
I've got Maul now.
I'm coming in now. How far for what ult do we have?
I have trance.
Okay, we're gonna go grab bomb again.
They
next
have
time.
trance, definitely.
Transfer.
They used
Tracer
it.
looking for
They
bomb.
used it
Tracer.
last fight.
Oh, they did? Okay.
Yeah.
Hey,
Camping on
Mercy
point.
low.
Mercy
Mercy.
low.
One
Mercy.
kilo jumped.
Mercy low. Mercy one shot.
Monkey low,
High
monkey
ground.
low.
Oh, that's a fucking monkey.
I have a ping on point.
We have to.
I have trap ready. Oh,
Zen
come
is
on.
one. Zen is down.
Zen,
Genji low, Genji low.
Get you
Mercy
one. Get
rested.
you 1 point.
He rested.
Winston low. One shot, please. Thank you.
Pushing
Mercy
that.
cover. Goodbye. That's no good. 4. Mercy behind.
Mercy low inside the ring house.
I got it.
Tracer,
Oh my
nice.
god.
Okay, we have 5 ults. So
Yeah,
we can
just-
grab and blade or just
Well, they have
just
Sin
grab
up.
it,
They have
grab
Sin
and blade.
up.
okay.
Definitely have Sin.
Let's try to force the Zen ult and then grab.
They're coming.
I mean, and then blade. If not, just grab and I can bomb.
Behind us, Genji, guys.
Tracer
really
low, no
bad.
recall.
Guys, they're trying to force the
That's
defense
fast,
out of
that's
me. I
fast.
have to.
Okay, then use the blade
Don't
afterwards.
stay
After
inside,
trap.
bubble, don't stay inside bubble room to Vincent. Nice, huge. Don't use any more ult.
Don't kill that baby. Don't kill her.
Oh, she's stacking the payload.
Yeah, we need to
Well,
kill
or
her.
something. The Genji is jumping on me all the time, so could you be stay close on payload?
Yes.
Thank you, man.
I just went for Tracer.
Nice,
Nice.
nice pick.
Stay.
Okay, I have bomb. I'm gonna
They
try
have
to find
Hanzo now,
something.
they have Hanzo.
Yeah,
worry.
I'm going. Hanzo's
Hanzo
on the
right
right
side.
side here.
Have mercy.
I'm coming behind them. Tracer
What's
is
it?
here. I can't.
I'm hitting your boo there.
I'm ping on point.
So low, Hanzo.
Whoa!
Hanzo is one,
Oh,
Hanzo is
he's
one.
2 HP. Never mind. Just fall back. We
Put
lost it,
stone
guys.
point.
Just fall back. Fall back.
Yeah, let them use ults.
Yeah, it's fine. Go back, please. Again, the
Guys,
Hanzo
can we
got
pause?
me.
Can we pause for 30 seconds, 1 minute?
Why?
We need to run somewhere.
Pause.
I paused it.
Boss, 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 boss.
Thank you. Be right back.
The
Don't
pizza is
stop.
here.
Yeah.
That might be hit or something.
Nah, it's never too late for pizza.
He's like, okay, how can I get myself worked up really hard? So he's going off 30 seconds off to have a wank, coming back then. And then we'll win. What else do we have?
Lucio, Winston, Tracer.
Mr. What's your old one?
Only 30%.
Yeah, I can get bump after before that as well. Again,
Yeah. Yeah, I'm close to a blade.
we can try to use blade and beat together. I
Okay.
don't know how far their trance is though. But I'm gonna try to get in the
Their
back lane.
transit's not ready. It's
Okay.
max at 70.
Then we're just gonna beat and blade together on the and try to pick off the backline or whatever you can with the blade.
We need to. They may get out of a trance before I get my blade, depending on how much.
What's
he
your
hits.
on? What's your on?
I'm on 70 as well.
Okay. Just,
and he hit a bit before me last fight, so he may have it.
Okay, just I'm just gonna try to get in the backline and peel the Zen or kill him or force the trance out of him if he has it before we engage.
If you really want to be annoying, just shoot at him, run away, come back a little later, shoot at him, run away. Then he's at one point he's like, okay,
No,
I
no,
need
no,
to
no.
use my trance.
Tracer is all about one clipping the Zens.
You do
Yeah.
that. But this sense all about one to hit like 2 headshots and you're done.
Yeah, but it's all about the juke. The blink,
Yeah.
the blink juke.
Then boom, one clip.
Yes,
Be
satisfying
careful
feeling.
for the Hanzo though.
Yeah, this Hanzo, he's killed me like 8 times with random arrows.
Yeah, he's being damage boosted as well.
Yes, the Mercy is pocketing him all the time.
No,
Well, I
not
think-
random.
Like he's killed me like
I'm
3
back.
times with the Sonic arrow.
Oh, bye, Jacob.
Yeah, I had problems with dog. Go, go, go.
Well, we could go just for jumping right past the Hanzo.
I hope they're ready.
Yeah.
Seems like it. Okay, I have bomb. I'm gonna try to get to the Zen. I'm behind them now.
Stand down.
Tracer.
Okay, beating.
Nice.
Hanzo low.
Hanzo low.
Diva in
Hanzo
charge,
down there.
in the backline. Diva is slow.
I need help, I need help, I need help.
I can't heal you there. Sorry, mister. There you go.
Diva in the backline, I'm trying to kill her.
Mercy's
Or,
resting.
Mercy.
Got it.
Winston low, Winston low. Watch that.
Tracer no
Can't heal
push.
the... I've got
Mercy,
my ult,
Mercy,
keep
Mercy.
alive. Hands are low. Mercy this come there. She's half. Tracer. She's low.
Tracer stalling.
She's down there. There you go, Fugu. I got you. Maybe use the thing if you get it. Keep it low. Nice shield. Fabian shot.
I'm dead, I'm dead.
Diva out, Mac
Then
almost.
I heal. Might choose
Come here,
Trent.
come here. Come here.
No, send one. Nice.
Dead.
Nice. Healing you.
Are we on the point?
Outside, outside, outside.
I have my ult, I have my ult.
Answer one.
Yeah, use it.
I can't, I'm gonna die.
Yeah, you can use.
No, just regroup. We have one attack left.
Oh, fuck me.
If we all, are we winning this fight or?
No.
Come back.
I can't come out.
We can maybe get pick on the tracer. No, come
Winston,
back.
Winston, help me. Ooh. Moira, anyone? Oh, that's survived.
She's
Mara
so
one,
low.
Mara one.
Tracer no
Watch
recall.
it, you're low. Watch it if you're low.
Okay, regroup. Careful, come back, monkey.
How
Do we
fast,
have
Tracer?
bubble? Do we have bubble
Trace
for
on left
monkey?
side. Just
I
go.
have it.
Just use it. Use graph. I can get
Tracer
bubble.
down.
Nice.
Jumping.
Use
Keep it
graph.
this.
Hello.
Nice.
Baby Diva, right
Maybe leave it
side.
this, Colin. Maybe leave it this.
Mura.
Answer one.
This.
Tracer
on
on
the back.
payload. Tracer.
No bomb, no recall.
10
Just
seconds remaining.
one shot.
Camping. Bit.
I'm almost there with my ult again. I've sent
Monkey low.
ult. Winston down though. Healing. I'm low. Trace on side, guys. Healing you through that ult.
Little diva.
I know she's
Moira,
Shot there,
Moira.
Tracer, just
Tracer,
call it.
no recall.
nice. Watch this side.
Winston.
He's tough. He's low.
Burn him.
Please. Left side again.
Okay.
Nice guy.
Complete.
Sorry for that pause, guys.
Score
No problem. Mind games.
to 3.
Spaz, did you see that fucking Sun pick at the start? It's fucking stupid. Exactly.
Do we want to try the Bastion again, or do we want to try just going dive defense? It's up to you guys.
Don't go dive at least. I think we should have that Reaper at least.
Okay.
We didn't have that
Reaper.
much damage on side.
Okay, let's take Reaper. Vi har lyst til å spille funny. Do you
Whatever.
want Pharmacy and Reaper, or
Oh, that would be so nasty.
Yeah, we can do
let's
that.
try it? Try it Pharmacy and Reaper, and then with Moira on the point and Zarya, I guess.
Attackers incoming in 30 seconds.
But like, if they are running a Pharmacy, you're gonna have to contest them in the air.
Yeah, easy.
I can get the Mercy out pretty easily then. Because
but
she
you
won't be
shouldn't-
able to heal at any point.
You shouldn't focus on it though.
Well, I can just at like 1 second attack her once,
Tickler.
and heal the team, hit her 1 second, heal the team. Because that means she can't heal at any point. Then the other healer needs to focus
Just
her.
play around the point, guys, and play around the shield.
Defend objective A.
I'm gonna hide here until they charge the point.
They have
What are they
hands
running?
out.
Hanzo was
Yeah. I'm gonna try to teleport behind the
They
Hanzo.
have
or
our
something.
mercy.
Yeah, so you guys are gonna
Bar
contest
one.
them. We need the double hits on the Pharah. Okay, I'm gonna jump behind the Reinhardt zone. When he had no bubble on Zarya, I'm jumping him.
Getting outside, Rando inside.
Oh,
30
fuck me.
seconds remaining.
If you can't, no, I can't trust
It's
that.
okay, we got 2 picks, we win
Yeah,
this fight.
I'm
I have bubble. If you want to.
Kill Hanzo, kill Hanzo.
Mercy red. Mercy resting for us.
Rando, Hanzo low. Oh fuck.
Zara left.
Oh, I'm low inside,
Mercy,
maybe.
nice.
Nice.
Hanzo.
Hanzo.
Get that sun, get the
I
sun.
can't heal you out there.
Whoa, she
What
literally
is
broke
Zarya
me.
Side.
Sorry,
I'm
one.
taking
Silo,
place here.
Rando.
Kill Ryan.
I'm going for send low, half. Nice.
Nice.
Send it.
Send down
Can
two.
you rest me? Trace a point.
No, I can't trust with the Tracer.
Yeah.
Tracer low, she usually
Shield
comes.
for the right. Nice.
Mercy low. Mercy down. Got her. Ryan low too. No! Oh shit. Hanzo low.
Cancel, man.
Nice.
Round
But
complete.
Good job, guys.
This is
Peace.
OP.
Do we want to dive again, right?
Yeah, definitely. Just dive them like that,
3-3.
like last time.
Switching sides.
The same setup or what?
Yeah, same as last.
If that Bastion just go close to the wall again. That worked pretty good.
Yeah.
So, Sai again?
Haha.
Yeah, let's try that. There's probably
Simon,
something cute on the TV.
Kim Kardashian died.
Like, oh shit.
No, that would be cheers.
Yeah.
Cheers of joy, celebration.
Why you hate her because of fat big booty?
Yes.
Are you talking about his girlfriend again?
No, about your mama.
Oh boy.
Oh yeah, you know it.
Burned.
Don't start with mama's please.
Your mama's so fat.
No.
She don't need the robot, bro. She's already robot.
Your mama's so slim I can't even see her.
That's
Guys,
let's get ready.
careful, they might have traps. Might be running drop rush. Yeah, the window saw me. The window saw me.
Don't go this way.
We can keep going this way.
They
It's
have
fine.
power.
But they know we're here.
Rockets. I'm gonna put shield. You guys can go through.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, give me bubble. Wait, not yet.
Speed boost in 3, 2, 1. Speed.
Paralo.
Send low, high ground.
Rains on point.
Send Barret on one shot right. Where's the disc called there? No.
Speedo low. Mercy low.
Low half.
Mercy
half.
low. Mercy low.
Here, Para.
My bad, guys.
The Vandal.
Easy, guys.
She said, David.
What, sorry?
I just said that's what she said.
Back to the show.
She said down that hole.
Oh. Yeah.
Best play.
I hate Hanzo.
Disgusting.
Yeah, he is.
Disgusting.
Yeah, well, when this Gather gets nerfed, it's gonna be a bit less powerful.
Disgusting!
Don't do that.
Thanks for giving me ear cancer.
Are we done or?
I hate Hanzo.
Oh,
yes.
they're going, right? Do we have any other teams? Alright.
We're going on a trip in our favorite rocking ship. Flying through the sky.
Can we queue for competitive or?
No.
No, of course there's no.
Well,
season.
there's no comp.
There's
Oh.
no
Yeah,
point.
but you can play for like the off season and like you have the same rank mode.
We could go play Cast Against Humanity. Very fun. On Minecraft. I didn't hear a no. That's
I don't have Minecraft.
what?
I'm not gonna.
What?
I'm not playing Minecraft.
I don't even want to use my space on the disk for Minecraft, man.
I have like 2,000 hours on my single player account.
I hope that's a joke.
It's really not.
I've seen this world, guys. It's not a joke.
2,000 hours on Minecraft. GG.
In one world.
We can...
Oh,
that's not worth it.
No,
I don't think so.
talk about what went wrong and what went good, I guess. We can also talk
Yeah,
about
okay.
what Phoenix.
So first of all, we had a lot of staggers.